Again, welcome back to GM Creations. This is the second part of oil pastel techniques. Here I am going to share 5 other techniques of oil pastel. Link of the first part is given below in description. This technique is called impasto technique. In this, you need extra soft oil pastel, or if you don't have that, then you can also use hard oil pastel. Here I first created a background of sky and grasses, then blended it with paper napkin. Again I created the dark shade at the top part. After that I made grasses using dark shade of green color. The technique that is used to make grasses is called strokes. Here there is a mixture of short and long strokes. This technique helps to fill the areas with grasses. According to your requirements, keep the length of the strokes long or short. Now you have to warm the pastel, which will make them soft enough that you can directly spread them around on your surface, or you can also use palette knife to spread or to create some other texture. Here I am applying the color of yellow and red. So like this you can make a beautiful landscape drawing. This is tint technique. So basically tint is a mixture of a color with white which reduces darkness. Here I applied white pastel over violet pastel. Now you can see the lighter color of violet. You can also try this technique with other colors like I did using deep green and yellow oil pastel. By doing this you will get lighter green. Simply you can say that it's a layering of light color over dark. This is shade technique. So shade is a mixture with black which increases darkness. Here I tried something with light green and sap green oil pastel. It's not always necessary to use black for shading. You can use any other dark color over light color. Again, you can try this technique with yellow and orange color also. Next technique is the rule of threes, which was developed by Patrick Neumann. Basically, you have to pick 3 colors of the same shades to create an effect. You can choose the colors like blue, green, pink, etc. Here I chose blue and green colors. In right side, I applied various shades of blue, that is helio blue reddish, deep blue and light blue. And after that I blended the colors using paper napkin. On the left side I applied various shades of green, that is earth green, yellowish, olive green and sap green, and here also I blended the colors. There are a lot of techniques which can be used for drawing, but these are all the basic which we use all often. Another one technique is thinner wash or using baby oil. Linseed oil are perfect for oil pastels to create a great effect of oil painting, whereas baby oil is just used to blend the pastel. And here's the last technique, that is strokes. You can draw different type of strokes like diagonals, cross hatching or double cross hatching. You can also draw short strokes for small grasses and also long strokes for tall grasses. You can draw lotus using curvy strokes. Use the last end of the pastel to create strokes. So these are the techniques for oil pastel.